Good day, I'm Sadhini Gunasinghe from Group 25. Today I'm going to demonstrate assisting a patient with using a bedpan. Bedpan, a patient that are unable to leave the bed may need a bedpan. Certified nursing assistants need to know how to assist a patient using a bedpan. Bedpan is placed under the patient's hips to collect urine or feces. The head of the bed must be elevated to a sitting position after the bedpan is placed to assist the patient with the elimination. Privacy is highly important in the performing this skill, so using a privacy blanket is necessary to keep the patient in warm during the procedure and also to ensure their privacy. You will be definitely exposed to body fluid of the patient during the process. Therefore, gloves are mandatory. Put gloves before placing the chucks on the bed. The chucks, which is also known as underpad or barrier, must be spread in the bed over the bottom sheet on the bed in case the contents of the bedpan spills. Contents of the bedpans must be always disposed on the toilet. Now let's watch a video of how to assist a patient with using a bedpan. Good morning, Miss Nanandi. I'm Sadhini Gunasinghe and I'll be your nursing assistant for today. So how are you feeling today?
Good morning, I'm feeling good.
Okay, so I understand that you need a bedpan. So may I assist with it?
Sure.
So first, I'm going to cover her up with a privacy blanket because it will keep her warm during the procedure and also it will help to protect her privacy as well. Now I'm going to cover her up like this and then I'm going to remove the bedcloth slowly like this. So it won't get dirty during the procedure. So then I'm going to put on gloves. So after applying gloves, I'm going to place a chucks underneath the patient. So for this, we have to bend her knees a little bit like this and place these chucks underneath. Alright. And then we have to place the bedpan underneath the patient. Unfortunately, I do not have a real bedpan, so I'm going to use this as my bedpan. So let's put this bedpan underneath her as well. So after placing the bedpan underneath her, I'm going to give some tissues or toilet papers to the patient. And then we have to elevate the head of the bed about 90 degrees and unfortunately I don't have a bed which can be elevated, so I'm just going to place her in a 90-degree position. So I placed her in 90-degree position. So madam, when you're done you can press the button or I'll be there in few minutes.
A few moments later.
So after her done, I'm going to place her in the lying position to remove the bedpan and the chucks. See, the patient is in the lying position with her legs bended. And now I'm going to remove the bedpan. To remove the bedpan, I'm going to use a plastic bag. And now I'm going to wrap the bedpan like this in the plastic bag, and then we have to dispose the plastic bag and well sterilize and wash. And then I'm going to remove the chucks. Like this. And and we have to dispose it as well. After removing the chalks, I'm going to make her in the lateral position. So in the lateral position, I'm going to wipe her perineal area from downwards to upwards, like this. And then we have to throw this cloth on a disposal bin. And then I'm taking again a new wet wipe, and I'm going to clean her hands from finger by finger, like this. And the other hand also. So that's it.